Buongiorno paesani! Yes, it's time for another Sicilian lesson. Allora, con tutte queste strade caca sono sempre chiusi, sempre bloccati e chi riferiano per trovare sempre un'altra strada. That's your word for today. Firiano. What does it mean? It means to go around, to turn around. In Italian we say girando. Devo andare girando, trovare un'altra strada per arrivare dove devo andare. So that's today's word. It's a beautiful day. It's always a beautiful day because we are our own sunshine. Remember to always think positive. Always bring yourself up. Never get discouraged. And look to those around you who love you for support because those are the most important people in your life. And on that note, stiamo ferriando per trovare la strada because I gotta go marry a nice, beautiful couple again today. Another wedding, another loving couple. It's so nice to witness love. Com'è bello l'amore. Non mi volete bene, voletevi bene. Ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo. Oh, mi scordavo. If you haven't already subscribe to Italiani di Montreal e Amici YouTube channel to continue watching my videos. I know I don't do them every day, but I do try to do them regularly. So please, if you haven't already subscribe. Italiani di Montreal e Amici on YouTube. Ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo.